What you are looking at right now is made from a single sentence, one prompt, and Lovart produced a logo, a full brand kit, a product poster, a social media pack, and a short video, all at the same time. No Photoshop, no Canva, no designer, just one text input, and an AI agent that actually understood what needed to be built. Lovart launched in May 2025. Within 5 days, over 100,000 people from 70 countries had already joined the waitlist. That kind of reaction doesn't happen by accident. So in this video, I am breaking down exactly what Lovart is, how it works, and whether it actually lives up to what it is promising. Here is the creative workflow most people are running right now. You generate an image in one tool, edit it in another, build the layout somewhere else, write the copy in ChatGPT. Then you manually export, re-import, resize for every platform, and repeat the whole process from scratch for the next asset. Every tool is a silo. Nothing talks to anything else, and you are the one stitching it all together, which means half your time is logistics, not creativity. Lovart's entire argument is that this workflow is broken, and they built something to replace the whole chain. Lovart calls itself the world's first AI design agent. No, a generator. An agent. The difference matters. A generator gives you an output and waits. An agent plans, coordinates, and executes a full workflow on your behalf. The way Lovart does this is through something called MCOT, mind chain of thought. Instead of just producing an image, it reasons through your brief like a creative director would. It thinks about your audience, your brand context, your format requirements, and then coordinates a team of specialized AI agents to handle each part of the job. One handles the logo. One handles typography. One handles layout. One handles motion. They all work together on one shared canvas, which means everything they produce is visually consistent because it was built as a system, not assembled from separate tools. In practice, the workflow runs on what Lovart calls Talk Tab Tune. You describe what you need in the chat. You pick from the options it generates on Canvas. Then you refine directly, clicking into any element to swap colors, rewrite text, or adjust the layout, without a single export or re-import. And the editing tools are genuinely deeper than they look. There is background removal, in-painting, style transfer, and a text-image separation feature that puts your copy onto its own editable layer. So you can rewrite a headline on a poster without touching the design underneath. That sounds small. It saves enormous amounts of time. One brief can generate up to 40 outputs. Logo, brand guidelines, business card, social media pack, product mock-up, short video. All consistent, all editable, all ready to use. For a solo creator or freelancer, that is the output of a full creative agency. For a startup, it replaces the need to hire a designer every time you need a new asset. And for designers who are already working professionally, Lovart handles the repetitive, low creativity execution, so you can focus on the thinking that actually requires your eye. Is it perfect? No, yet. Complex typography and strict brand systems still need manual finishing in a professional tool. The Pro plan runs around $90 a month, and it is worth testing on the free tier first to see if the output quality matches your standards before committing. But for the speed, the consistency, and the sheer volume of what it produces in one place, there is genuinely nothing else on the market doing this right now. Lovart is at lovart.ai, link is in the description below. There is a free tier with daily credits, so you can try it before spending anything. If this breakdown was useful, drop a like and subscribe. More AI tool reviews coming every week.